Like and subscribe, and ring the bell to join us for more adventures. Timo stands in a wide desert with no clear path in sight. Sand stretches endlessly in every direction. Without clear signs, it's easy to wander off course. A new word becomes important in this moment: delineate. Delineate means to clearly define or mark something. With no visible route, direction feels uncertain. Timo plants tall flags in a straight line to mark the safe route. A clear path now stretches across the open sand. He continues his journey with steady steps toward his destination. Timo remembers that to delineate is to create clear boundaries that guide the way, and that clarity gives him confidence for his next adventure.
For more cartoon stories and advanced English vocabulary, and to build the skills you need for exam success, visit vocabcartoons.com. Cartoons, quizzes, and games that help you learn fast. Start free.